Sweet Lou says, I'm terrible at trading stocks that go down. I know the concept of options, do well with calls, but I'm terrible when trading puts. What is something I can do to change this? Sweet Lou. That's interesting. Usually it's the other way around. Sometimes people find it easier to make money when stocks go down, because when stocks go down, they tend to go down faster than they go up. There's a little bit more instant gratification, which makes people feel better about being in the positions that they're in. I would say, without knowing any more details about your trading, if you struggle with puts, it could just be the environment that you're in right now, Sweet Lou. Because if you've been trying to just buy puts over the last 2 months, you're getting run over. When you look at what the market's done over the last 2 months, it's just gone straight up, right? It's gone straight up over the last 2 months. So if you've been trying to buy puts the last 2 months and you're not having success, it's not that you're not good at puts. It's just that there are not opportunities for puts in this market. There's better opportunities on calls over the last 2 months. I think that changes going into September. I think you're going to have a lot of opportunities on put options going into September. I'll talk about that a little bit later on this live stream as well, about what I expect to happen here in the markets over the next week or two. I think that it's just more a situation of the environment that you're in, Sweet Lou, because if you were trading puts earlier this year, I'm sure that you'd be having a much easier time trading puts. So I would just say, just to be mindful of not trying to trade the opposite way of the market. One of the things we do in True Trading Group very, on a daily basis, is to make sure that our members understand the environment that we are in and whether we're in a bullish or bearish time frame. Now, you might be bearish on the market going forward from here, but that does not negate the fact that the market has been ripping face for the last month and a half. And if you've just been buying put options and trying to short things during that time, you're losing your ass. So as an active trader, we have the luxury of being long one day and then possibly short the next. And one thing that we will always make sure that our members are aware of is, hey, do we think that this is going to be an up day or a down day in the market, and then position ourselves on the right side of that trade. If I think the markets are going to push higher, I'm not going to try to short stocks. If I think the market's going to move lower, I'm not going to try to be long. So it all starts with the sentiment of the overall market. Do we think it's a green day, a red day? Do we think the markets are going to rally, or if the market's going to pull back? And then we'll position ourselves long or short individual stocks, or in call options or put options on individual indexes. So it could just be a situation of just the environment that we've been in over the last 2 months. I have a feeling that in the month of September, you're going to have a much easier time.